Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP system review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. This column here on the right hand side of my box, my commissions shows now $308.70 with OLSP system. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how with Megalink, you can promote one link and earn up to 7 income streams. So Megalink is part of the OLSP system. It was created, it's owned and created by this gentleman here, Wayne Crowe. And there'll be a link in the description where you can get access to this free video tour. You can come and meet Wayne and he'll talk with you for about 10 minutes and he'll tell you exactly how we can help you become successful and make money online. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you inside the members area. I'm going to show you some proof of the multiple income streams. And then I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you exactly step by step how the system works and how simple and easy it is to use. So I'm just going to blur out the members' information for privacy. And we'll go back to the beginning here. Lots of pages of commissions. The first one here was on December the 6th when I started with OLSP system. That was for the Megalink. And the commission is 100%. So you pay a one-time payment of $7. The great thing about this system is there's no monthly membership costs. It's a complete 100% done for you system, and you get 100% commissions on that one. And if we go on to the next page, you'll see some more income streams on here. So what you'll see here is you'll see a product called Mega Messenger. There's a couple on here. Mega Messenger is a $10.80, get paid $10.80 in commission. So these are the amounts in this column here. And if we go on to another page, you'll see some more income stream. This one here. So lots of mega links coming in. Megalinks a high converting offer. You'll also see some more mega messengers at 1080. But you'll see on here there's 1, 2, 3. There's 4 of these list building and magic links, and they're also a $7 commission. So I want to teach you how to get into profit with this system. So you pay your one-time $7 and you only need one of these referrals here, and the rest of that, if you use free traffic like I do, then you're getting into profit. I want to show you how you can get paid for commenting on Facebook. If I've got some of the 25 cents one. So this one here, where you get 25 cents, that's where you can get paid for commenting on the OLSP, in the OLSP system Facebook group. I'll just come to that shortly. So let's go back into the dashboard here, and I'll show you that product. That product is called, so you get that product with Megalink. Come down here, Comment Dominator Pro. All you do is click on here. There's a video training down here on how to use it. All you're doing is commenting in the OLSP Facebook group. You'll see I've made 21 comments so far and I've earned $4. Now this is a great way to get your money back, your $7 back that you pay for Megalink. So once you build this up to $7, you can then get your Megalink for free. That short video there shows you how to do that. Now, the way this system really excels is by helping its members with training and support. So training on how to drive traffic and getting support so you're not on your own when you join OLSP system. You'll see here's a live training in 2 days. All right. This live training is on how one of the members earned 14,000 in commission. So you can click there and join the live training. When you first join, I recommend you come down here So there's lots of free training in here on how to get free traffic and paid traffic. But what I recommend you do is you first watch these two free trainings here. This is how Wayne, 15 years online, made $10 in commissions and the 100 commission hack. You just click on there, watch those two free trainings, and then this is how this system really excels. It's here to help and support and train you on how to become successful in affiliate marketing and with the OLSP system. So I want to show you now how simple and easy this system is to use. So if you're brand new and you haven't made your first dollar online yet, then this is perfect for beginners. There are upgrade options for those for intermediate and advanced marketers, but I'm going to focus today on helping new people. So what happens is, this is a training. When you join, you come on here and you watch your MegaLink trainings. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's five trainings here that Wayne does all these trainings himself. So he's earned $15 million in commissions. So you're in very good hands. Now, what he's done here is you'll see he's drawn a line down here. Now, this line's really important, especially if you're new. It's important to show you the value you're going to get with this system. So all you've got to be concerned with, all you've got to do is focus on these two boxes on the left-hand side of the line. So what happens here is that you get your MegaLink. So you see here in the top right-hand corner, you're going to get an affiliate link. And then all you've got to do is one thing, just one thing. And Wayne will teach you how to drive traffic. This box here, he teaches you traffic and how to promote your MegaLink. That's all you've got to do. Very, very simple. And then on the right-hand side, he deals with all the rest. He's created everything. He's created everything over here on the right-hand side of this line. He's created everything for you. He's done this. It cost him $250,000 to set this up. So this whole funnel and system that he's set up is everything that he's done for you. And all this cost you is $7 one-time payment, no monthly membership costs. I'll show you now how it works. So you're going to get, he calls it a squeeze page. I like to call it a lead capture page. You're going to get a lead capture page. Again, it's done for you. So you don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create any autoresponder messages or follow-ups. You'd have to pay for an autoresponder monthly. There's no fees there. He does all the promoting for you. And then what you do is you promote, he trains you up. So he's got traffic training over here. He's got live trainings over here. He's got replays. And what he does, he teaches you how to promote your lead capture page. And then what happens is your prospects put their information in, and then he sends out emails on autopilot for you. He's doing this. This is a done for you system. It's all included in a one-time $7 payment. The value is absolutely insane what he's giving you here. And then within these emails here are your affiliate links. He's promoting you. And then what's he promoting? He's promoting offers. He's promoting offers for you. Now, Wayne has created his own products. So all this is on autopilot. So if you're asleep, if you're at work, if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, this is all on autopilot. He's created his own products. And he promotes these products for you. So there's low ticket ones. There's medium ticket price. There's monthly recurring commissions. And there's also high ticket ones. These are all his own products that he spent a lot of money on creating for you. And if anybody buys you earn the money. You get the commissions. And that's all for a one-time payment of $7. So you're going to get everything. Now it gets even better because you're not on your own with this system. It's created a support and community group, the Facebook group. The Facebook group is where there's 143,000 members. So if you are brand new and you need help and you need support and you need training, it's a perfect system for you to start making money online, especially if you haven't made your first dollar and especially if you're not in profit yet. The key thing with affiliate marketing is to get into profit, because once you get into profit, you can then scale up and even promote other offers and earn multiple income streams with other offers as well. And the training will teach you how to do that. So I'm going to put there will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and other OLSP system members. We've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP system and also promote OLSP system as an affiliate. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing a new video every single day, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP, put those in the comments below and I'll answer your questions. But I recommend you click the link in the description. You come and meet Wayne Crowe, this gentleman here. He's really doing some great work in helping affiliate marketers at every single level become successful. And he wants to help you make money online. And he's doing a great job in doing so. So come and meet Wayne Crowe. There's some more information on this page on the mega link as well that'll be of interest to you. So thank you very much. My email address will also be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.